Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're interested in this content, I have a playlist dedicated to technology tutorials like this one, which I hope will be helpful to you. So our video tutorial for today is about how to lock our Facebook profile for those who want to keep their profile private. Here's the simple step-by-step process. First step is to update our Facebook app. To do this, go to the Play Store, search for Facebook, and click on it. If your Facebook app isn't updated yet, click on Update. Once done, open the app. Once in the app, find the settings. There are two ways to lock your profile, and the first is through the settings. Click on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, then find Settings, and click on it. In the settings, find Lock Profile under Audience and Visibility. You'll see the option to lock your profile. Click on it, then click Lock Your Profile, and then click OK. Now you'll see that our profile is locked. Now for the shortcut, onto the second step. Before that, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. Now, go to your profile, click on it, then click on the three dots. Options will appear, and you'll see Lock Profile. Click on it, then click Lock Profile again, and it's now locked because we've already locked it earlier. And that's it. Locking our profile is that simple. I hope you followed our tutorial, and that's all for now. I hope you liked this video, and if it helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the bell icon to stay updated on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.